Let's talk about the actual EMI testing and how it is done. EMI testing is electromagnetic interference testing to test if a device or a system is causing electromagnetic pollution which might interfere with the functionality of other devices or systems. This EMI testing is of two types. First is emission testing and second one is immunity testing. How much emission of electromagnetic waves is been created by a device, and the other is immunity testing, which means how much of an immunity or how much of electromagnetic pollution can a device withstand. In emission testing, there are two types of testing to check how much of an emission a device is creating via conducted means and how much of an emission a device is creating via radiated means. Radiated emission testing or REMI testing is done using a receiver antenna, and conducted emission testing is done using AC power systems to check how much of electromagnetic waves or pollution is being created via conducted media. In emitted radiated electromagnetic interference testing, there are four main types of test methods that are there. First one is OATS, open area test site. Second is GTEM cell. Third, anechoic chamber. And fourth, reverberation chamber. Open area test site is basically the testing which is done in an open space. We have to make sure that there is almost no interference, or else the receiver might give us inaccurate values. This testing is mostly done in rural areas where a lot of white space is available to us. But due to our inaccuracy or our inability to reduce all the interference or all the radiated emissions from the air, this kind of testing is extremely inaccurate. In this, we consider ground as infinite metallic plane so as to make sure that our testing is done correctly, and the distance between EUT, which is equipment under test, and receivers is generally kept between 10 meters and 3 meters, whereas a 5 meter distance between EUT and receivers is currently under research and development phase. This is a schematic setup of open area test site. Here we have our equipment under test, and here we have our antenna that is receiving all the electromagnetic emissions that are being created from our equipment under test. This we have our signal generator. So this is a demo or a dummy test site. We are checking if our system is correct or not in this test site, but this is exactly what happens in open area test sites. Here we have our direct wave which is going from our EUT to receiver, and another reflected wave via our infinite metal ground plane towards our antenna or our receiver. This antenna and receiver is connected to a spectrum analyzer, which basically tells us how much of an EM pollution we are creating.